Alright, my Tabor City home here. Coming to you with I guess a tip, a trick, however you want to call it. So, here we have a bathroom scale that is been zeroed out. We're going to take our X-Comp tire, roll it up on there, and let's see what we got. Our X-Comp tire, I don't know if you can see that, that's about 88 pounds. Down there, you can look at it. It's about 88 pounds. So, granted, 88 pounds isn't the most weight in the world, but you start doing the tire change on the truck at 88 pounds per tire, that can smoke you pretty quick. So years ago, worked in the garage, and I learned a little bit of a trick about how to deal with big tires. So I was going to show that to you guys. So what we got here, we got our tire here at the position we're going to put it on, and we have an X-bar wrench. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this X, and we are going to place it under the tire on both sides. Okay, so now we have the wrench under the tire. We've got the one end lifted up. So what we're going to do next is we're going to lift up on the wrench, and as we lift on the wrench, we should have the ability to move the tire a little bit and get it right on there. I'm going to tell you, you can fight these big tires all day long, but I mean, it takes a tremendous little bit of strength to get a fairly large tire on a vehicle if you'll just use one of these cross wrenches here and put it on there. Yeah, so get you some big tires, go play in the mud. All right, my Tabor City home to you. That's our tip. Get you a cross wrench, and if you ever need to slap them suckers around a little bit, makes life a whole lot easier. My Tabor City home to you. Have a good day.